Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. I have a very bad sore throat. That's exactly what I got from my mom, my sister, and my niece over the weekend. The whole time I was there, all three of them were complaining of having a sore throat. My sister woke up Saturday morning with a severe sore throat. So just bear with me today. Hopefully I will be able to get through this vlog. My throat just feels so swollen, and it just hurts. So lots of hot tea today, or hot apple cider as well, and very minimal chatting and talking. But I did want to fill you guys in on a few things. Yesterday I started putting away, hang on a second. Okay, that's a little bit better. It helps because my throat gets really dry really quickly, and it like swells up. I can feel like swollen. It's really bad. But hot tea helps. So where was I? Okay, so let's talk about the plan for this week. This is what's happening this week. Brian and I are leaving for Savannah tomorrow. And so we'll be there till Friday. He's got a business rollout that he has to do. And I'm gonna go with him because it's gonna be like 4 days. I'm like, oh, okay, maybe I won't go because I'm sick. But no, I'm still gonna go and just be with him. But yesterday, I started taking down all of my Halloween decorations. I'm sorry, I don't know why that's not focusing. I started taking down all of my Halloween decorations yesterday, and I got quite a few of them done. Basically, living room, dining room, kitchen stuff is done. I'm still working on the foyer, and I'm still working in here. As you guys can see, I still have some pumpkins right there. I have pumpkins over here on my dresser and my little table over here, and then I have my little fall pillows out as well. You guys can see that right there. So I still have all of that stuff that I have to put away, and then I have a few things on my stairs that go up to the upstairs area. I have stuff on my stairs that I have to put away that I just didn't use, and then I'm like, I just left them there. But I got to put that stuff away as well. And then I'm going to do laundry and pack for today, or for the week anyway, so I have to pack today for the week. And then yesterday, if you guys followed me on my Instagram page and my Facebook page, Angie in Wonderland, if not, you guys need to go over there and do that so you guys don't miss out on like posts that I share. Yesterday was our the fourth annual chili cook-off in our subdivision yesterday. And I had told you guys last week that, you know, obviously I'm participating, but I don't care anything about winning. I'm not gonna like try hard to like make a chili that's gonna be like the winning chili. But lo and behold, the votes were in and I won. I won the chili cook-off. I was completely shocked by that, and I was just like, that's the craziest thing ever. I do know my chili was really, really good. When I was cooking it here yesterday and letting it, you know, simmer and in the crock pot or whatever. I actually had a little small bowl of it for lunch yesterday, and I was like, this is really good. I mean, this is delicious. And Brian liked it too, but it's just like you put blue cheese crumbles and stuff in it, and at the time I put the blue cheese crumbles in and they hadn't yet, you know, melted thoroughly. They really hadn't been around in the chili to add more flavor to it. So it was just kind of like a really strong potent of the blue cheese. Well, last night at 6 o'clock when everybody was able to sample the chilies, obviously the blue cheese crumbles had died down a little bit. It still kind of gave it that nice buffalo flavored buffalo flavored taste. And I won out of 10 chilies. What? That was just the craziest thing. But yeah, I wasn't trying, and it definitely was not like my intent to try to win. I wasn't making like, oh, this is gonna be the best chili ever and I'm totally gonna win. No, I was just doing it to participate and have fun, not trying to win at all. But I won, and that was quite amazing. I was just like, what? So I have a trophy. And the guy next door is gonna keep the trophy until he gets my name put on the bottom of it for, you know, the winner for this year. And then I'll hold on to it until next year's chili cook-off, and then I'll have to give up my title. But yeah, I was, like I said, I was completely shocked. So I won the chili thing. Wasn't even expecting it. But I will actually put the, let's see, the recipe. Where am I going to put that recipe? I'll try to put the recipe here in this video, but if not, I will post the recipe over on my Facebook page, Angie in Wonderland. So if you're gonna follow me over there and you guys want that recipe, you're gonna need to go over there and check it out. It's actually really good. I was very impressed. So I'll show you guys my trophy when I get it. I probably won't get it till we get back because he's got to take it in and get the name engraved. So, but anyway, so yeah, that's it. So today is gonna be a home vlog. I'm staying home. This is what I'm gonna look like all day long. So I hope that you guys can grin and bear it with me all day long with my look. It's just a home vlog. I could care less. I'm not doing this to impress anybody. So I'm gonna share with you guys my day. And obviously you guys can tell that I'm not feeling very well because of my throat, but I'm still gonna get through my day anyway and share with you guys as much as I possibly can. Obviously, you guys see I've already made up my bed. I've taken the pumpkins off of my little table tray here, my bed tray. I've taken those pumpkins off, so that's what I did a few minutes ago, and I took them in my dining room where I pile everything up on my dining room table, and then I start putting things away as they get piled up. So I'm gonna finish cleaning out this room and taking this stuff to the dining room, and then I need to find my little plastic Ziploc bags that I keep all my pillows and stuff in. Those things are the best. And then Brian already took, I think, how many did he take up there? 6 or 8 totes already he took up to the man cave yesterday morning. So those are already gone, which is great. And then when we get back this Friday, this Saturday and Sunday, we will start digging out the Christmas stuff, and Monday I will start decorating for Christmas. So Monday I'll start laying everything out and moving things around in the living room, moving things around to accommodate my Christmas tree and decorations around the house. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to a trip to Savannah this week, even though I'm not feeling very good. But you know, as long as I got hot tea and lemons, I'll be fine all week, as long as it doesn't turn into something more crappy and cruddy. But even drinking tea out of this mug makes me happy. Speaking of happy, I'm going to Disney in March, just so you guys know. And right now my mom might be going with me. She said she's gonna go with me, but things can change. But regardless if she goes or not, I'm still going. But I'm gonna stop yakking here. I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna start getting busy. And yeah, I hope you guys decide to hang out with me today and, you know, help me put this Halloween stuff away and clean up around the house a little bit. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So here's kind of what I do. I bring all of my decorations in here in the dining room and I put them all on the table, and then I take time and I wrap everything that needs to be wrapped. So I have all this paper, which I've already done one this morning. So all this paper I usually take and I wrap up, you know, things that need to be wrapped up. These don't need to be wrapped up. They're plastic. These are fine. But, you know, I will wrap up my little flower ornaments over here, my flower arrangements over here. And obviously I'll wrap this because it's, you know, glass. It'll break. I'll wrap this up. And then obviously all of this stuff I'll wrap up. So, but anyway, yeah, I mean, I'm getting there. A lot of stuff, but I'm getting there. So I gotta also pull like this off of here so I can hang up my Christmas wreaths, but I don't have any of that stuff out yet. So, but right now I'm just focused on getting my house cleaned up, packing, and putting as much of this stuff away as I possibly can, so I don't have to do it next Saturday, and all I'll have to do is focus on getting my Christmas decorations out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head to the kitchen and start cleaning that up really quick. Alrighty, so I've been resting my voice like all day long. Still very, very swollen. I can't seem to like get rid of the swollenness of my throat, which sucks. I'm trying to focus on my face too, but it's wanting to pick up on everything else behind me. I don't know why. Anyway, so I have been in here and I have been packing up our clothes for our weekend Savannah for Brian for business rollout. I have all of my stuff here pretty much. I have a couple of things that I'm washing right now that I need to throw in here, and then I'm pretty much done and ready to go. And then I just have to get Brian's jeans in there, and then the shirts that he needs to wear for this trip. I've actually pulled out a couple of shirts that I completely forgot that I had, so I have those sitting over there. I have clothes laid out for tomorrow that I'm gonna wear on the way there to drive in, and then I have to get my computer and stuff together, because hopefully if there's like quick internet access, or if the internet Wi-Fi is quick, then I'll be able to upload videos every day while I'm gone. I'm not exactly sure how well that's gonna go, because I know with my sore throat it's very hard to talk and it hurts. So I might be taking a couple days break, and I hate that because I wanted to share stuff with you guys in Savannah if I did anything. But hopefully with some more hot tea and some like rest to stay off my throat, hopefully I'll feel better and I'll be able to share some stuff with you guys. I've got Christmas gifts already coming in. Those 2 boxes are Christmas gifts that I have to get like wrapped up and stuff. But anyway, yeah, so that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'm so sorry that it's short, but I really just need to rest my voice and I can't really talk very well. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me a little bit today, and I will see you guys next time in Wonderland. Bye, guys.